Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Importing YFT files into Blender allows you to edit 3D vehicle models from Grand Theft Auto 5. These files use a specific format that Blender cannot read by itself. You need a special tool called Solims to bridge this gap. First, download the Solims plugin from its official page. Open Blender and go to your preferences. Select the Add-ons tab and simply click Install. Find the zip file you downloaded and enable the plugin. Now you need your YFT file. Open OpenIV and locate the vehicle model you want to use. Right-click the file and export it as an XML format. Choose the Solims option during export to ensure compatibility. Once you have the XML file, go back to Blender. Look for the Solims menu in the side panel. Click on the Import button. Navigate to your specific saved XML file and select it. The model should appear in your 3D viewport. You might see several parts like the body and wheels. These are usually organized into a hierarchy. To see textures, you must set up a shader folder. Point Solims to your exported texture files. This will link the images to the 3D mesh automatically. Now you can modify the geometry or change the paint job. Blender offers powerful tools for advanced editing. You can add parts or fix existing ones. Keep your original files safe before making changes. This process is the standard way for modders to create custom cars. It works for base game vehicles and custom add-ons. Following these steps makes the import process fast and easy for any modding project.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.